We will be replacing the front turn signal in this 2015 Jeep Wrangler with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. You'll need a flathead and Phillips screwdriver and a drill. Here is what the standard halogen turn signals look like. To access the turn signal bulbs, we will first open the hood. There are 6 locking fasteners along the top of the grille that will need to be removed. Before we go too far, we should point out that you can access the turn signal from under the wheel well. But for our video, we will remove the grille. Carefully pry out each fastener. You may have to lift the middle and then pop it out if all the factory fasteners are still installed. Otherwise, they'll come straight up and out. And the last one. Now you'll be able to pop free the hidden locking tabs that are behind the light. Grasp the grille firmly with 2 hands and give it a quick pull straight towards you. Now the same technique for the other side. This is the tab you popped free. The last set of tabs are across the bottom. They should easily come loose after freeing both sides. Now you can easily access the bulb. Remove it by turning it counterclockwise to unlock, and the bulb will come straight out. Your new LED bulb may look a little different from the stock halogen. It may even be slightly bigger. But our bulbs are plug-and-play fit, meaning the base will plug right into your car's plug. They are exactly the same size. And here the bulb plugs in with no problems. As we test the bulb before we reinstall, we notice a hyperflash problem. This is easily fixed with a load resistor. The load resistor is also plug and play, so you will just need to add the load resistor by plugging it into the car and then the bulb into the load resistor. For complete installation instructions for both universal and plug and play load resistors, click on the link below. When we retest, you can see that the hyperflashing is gone. Finish installing the load resistor by hanging the resistor from something metal where it won't contact any plastic or wires. To plug the bulb back in, you'll notice 3 tabs. Line up the largest of the 3 with the largest slot. Turn clockwise to finish locking it in. Now the other side. Unlock the bulb and pull it out. We already know from testing the first side that we'll need to add a load resistor and mount it. Lock in your new LED bulb and you can start replacing the grille. Line up the locking tabs you popped free earlier and with your palm, give it a quick wrap until it clicks in. And the same for the other side. finally across the bottom. Replace all the plastic locking fasteners along the top by pushing them in. And you're done installing new super bright LED turn signals from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.